Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox this tote from Mansur Gavriel. Please keep on watching.
Ooh, wow, it looks nice. And this is the receipt. So I bought this small zip tote during sale. The sale last time have more colors, but now they only have not a few colors left. I think only the pink one that is Ballet, which is the same one as what I have. So this is my cat's favorite toy, which is the paper. Oh wow, it comes with these very nice dust bag. And this is the bag that I bought, you guys. It is so pretty. It is in, so the color of this bag is in Ballet and it's tagged. So the tote is not returnable because it is in the sale price already. So I bought around 300 plus Sing dollars. It has a zipper on top over here for security. And let's take a look at the inside. Oh, okay. Inside is very empty. You can put a bag organizer, but I seldom put bag organizer because sometimes I feel the bag organizer add on the weight to the bag, which I preferred lighter bag. They have one compartment over here which I can definitely use this bag for work. This one can put my employee tag, and then inside of the bag is pretty empty. The tote is sapphire leather, which is quite durable, and also this is the logo. This is Mansur Gavriel. Other than that, it is very quiet types of bag that is perfect for work if you like the work bag to be more towards quiet rather than local. I think this brand is kind of a good alternative because the bag made like is well made and also a great quality full leather bag. For this color in real life, it is a little bit pinkish, more towards like pink rather than yellow, so it's more of a light beige in pink shade. The color name is Ballet, so it has a hint of pink to it, and they also have other option that it has a hint of yellow or ivory as well, which they have those selection on their website. But for me, I'm more towards pink definitely because I love something like pinkish. So this tote can goes well with everything in my closet. Let's talking about dimension. So according to their website, it is 32 cm at its base, and for the height is around 24 cm. So the handle drop is around 21 cm. I'm gonna show you how it fit my work laptop. My work laptop is 13-inch MacBook Pro. So let me show you how it fit inside this bag. I'm going to fit my work laptop into this bag. So as you can see, it's just a perfect fit inside the bag. It can be the 14 inches too. The one I have is Mac Pro 13 inch. Okay, and this is the space that's still empty. This is the space that's still empty where you can put anything else like your pouch, your phone, and all that. I think the space is like quite standard for the tote, and it looks a bit structured, although when you put a laptop in, it becomes less structured than it's supposed to be. But it's different from other tote that there is no structure at all. It has a semi-structure where you can still keep the shapes. If you like structure bag, this one could be a good bag. Last but not least, let me do some mod shot for your reference. I'm 160 centimeter high.